Let's see this example, and in this example we need to find the value of sine and cos at angles like 5 pi by 12 and pi by 12. If I would try this question and I did not knew which chapter it belongs, so first I will see, okay, can I put the value of 5 sine 5 by 12 straightforward? So I see 5 pi by 12, which is 5 into 180 by 12, 75 degree. Do we know the value of sine and cos at 75? No. We know at 60 degree, we know at 90 degree, but we do not know at 75 degree. What next? What can we do here? So 5 pi by 12. It is not very intuitive, but yeah, you will learn it from practice. Okay, you can write 5 pi by 12 as pi by 4 plus pi by 6. You can add and check. LCM will be 12. 4 3s are 12, 3 pi, and 6 to 2 pi, which is 5 pi by 12. So 5 pi by 12, if we see, can be broken down into pi by 4 and pi by 6. And now you know the value of sine pi by 4, cos pi by 4. You know the value of sine pi by 6, cos pi by 6. So why not use the expansion formula for sine, and let's solve this. I can write sine 5 pi by 12 as sine pi by 4 plus pi by 6. Now using sine a plus b expansion formula, I get sine a cos b plus cos a sin b. Let's substitute the values. 1 by root 2 cos 30 degree, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, which is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Similarly, go ahead and get the value of cos 5 pi by 12, because you know you can write 5 pi by 12 as the sum of pi by 4 and pi by 6. You know the expansion formula, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Go ahead and substitute the values. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, minus 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, which is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Cool. The next part, the next angle, let's see, pi by 12. So again, it's not any angle, it's not an angle that you know the value of. Okay, what can we write pi by 12 as? So we have seen pi by 4 plus pi by 6. So let's try pi by 4 minus pi by 6. I know it's not very intuitive, but yeah, if you get this type of question in exam, you have to check for sum and difference for values 0, what all you know, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2. Check for sum or difference, whether the given angle can be broken down into sum or difference of these angles. If yes, then you know how to proceed. So pi by 12 can be written as pi by 4 minus pi by 6. How? Solve it in C. 3 pi minus 2 pi, which is pi by 12. Cool. So I can write sine pi by 12 as pi by 4 minus pi by 6. Now expand it. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. This comes out to be root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Similarly, cos pi by 12, I can write what? Cos pi by 4 minus pi by 6. Expansion formula, it will be root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2, which you get root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So that's how you have to do a little hidden trial and see what this angles could be broken down into, and then solve this equation. Another thing to note down here is, you see that you have gotten root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 here, and again root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 here. So it's not the part of the question, but if you want to think beyond, then you see the value of sine 5 pi by 12 as root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, and cos pi by 12 also the value of root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So where can you have been smart to not solve for pi by 12. How? So you know sine pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta. So sine 5 pi by 12, let's see, can it be written as pi by 2 minus pi by 12? See, it will be 6 pi minus pi, 5 pi by 12. Yes, 5 pi by 12 can be written as pi by 2 minus pi by 12, which means sine pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta, cos pi by 12, which means sine 5 pi by 12 is equals to cos pi by 12. And that's how, if you would have been smart, then you could straightforward write the value of cos pi by 12 as sine 5 pi by 12, and that you computed in an earlier part, which is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, and that's how you can save your time. It jumps straight to the answer.